If you want to get iPhone ringtone on the Samsung A37 5G, you will have to start by opening the Google Play Store and download application that will allow you to get iPhone ringtone, for example, Zedge, wallpapers and ringtones. Now you will have to open this one, and right now you have to go for ringtones, click on the search and input iPhone phrase. Now go for search one more time, go for ringtones, and let's try, for example, the iPhone 15. Yeah, this is the sound. So we have to pick it up, click on this purple icon, and click to save to media folder, or we can already click to set as a ringtone. So we can find two options, allow this permission. Now just go back, and right now, as you can see, the ringtone is updated. So now, just to show you that it really works, I'm gonna open the sound settings, and as you can see, here it is.